Welcome to Drawlipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable fingerprint lock in your Samsung Galaxy M15 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down and then go to security and privacy. From here go to biometrics and then tap on fingerprints. Then enter your current pin. Then tap on continue to add fingerprint. Now from here to add fingerprint you have to place your finger on the fingerprint sensor and lift it up several times. Now just do it and it's done. Then tap on done and now you can see in my phone fingerprint has been added successfully. Now just turn on this option to enable fingerprint lock. Now if I lock my device and then unlock with fingerprint and it's unlocked. If you tap on add fingerprint then you can add more fingerprint. And that is how you can enable fingerprint lock in your Samsung Galaxy M15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.